by Kalorik.
It's time to take air frying to the max. Introducing the MAXX Air Fryer Oven, the next generation in air frying, the ultimate air frying oven that delivers more crispy crunch per bite, cooked faster than ever before. The MAXX Air Fryer Oven is a professional-grade cooking system that delivers faster, better-tasting results and healthier options with no added oil or calories. It's so versatile, it's called the MAXX because it replaces 10 different appliances. It's a powerful next-generation ultimate air fryer, countertop oven, toaster, broiler, rotisserie, dehydrator, roaster, pizza oven, slow cooker, and indoor grill. But don't confuse the MAXX Air Fryer Oven with any air fryer oven you've seen before. The secret is the MAXX Air Fryer's Turbo Max technology. A massive 1,700 watts of power is combined with a high-performance turbo fan, engineered for maximum air circulation, maximum crispness, and maximum flavor. Look at a leading air fryer's airflow. Now look at the MAXX Airflow. Wow, it's a difference you can see. In fact, we tested the MAXX against 3 of the leading air fryer ovens. The MAXX came in #1, cooking the chicken almost 28% faster. The MAXX Air Fryer has smart culinary intelligence built in. And because the others can't get to 500 degrees, you can cook your steak up to 37% faster. Coming up, we're cooking favorites like ribeye steaks done in 8 minutes, air-fried chicken done in just 10 minutes, Cajun salmon in 7 minutes, rotisserie chicken done in just 35 minutes, and piping hot full-size pizza done extra crispy in just 18 minutes. Today's show has a very special celebrity, Chef Jamie Gwen.
I'm making ribeyes here.
They look great.
And I'm going to season them salt and pepper on both sides, place them on the steak tray.
Sure is. I can feel the heat coming off it.
And wait till you hear that.
Wow, listen to that sizzle.
We'll cook the steaks for about 4 minutes on each side to perfection.
But Jamie, why is searing at 500 degrees so important?
First, it locks in the juices because nobody likes a dry steak, right, Steve?
Why stand outside when you can get incredible results like these indoors?
That is a steak cooked to perfection, Steve. And
Okay, let me get rid of
that
that for
steak
you.
tray still sizzling.
Yep.
And I am going to cut you the perfect bite. That crisp crust
Look at that.
and that tender, perfectly cooked interior only comes from the MAXX Air Fryer Oven.
Now that's steakhouse quality.
The MAXX is an unbelievable appliance. It's so easy to use and it makes much more sense than firing up your entire oven to make a delicious steak.
Next, I'm going to make a true family favorite, fried chicken, made healthier without all that added oil. Here it is, fried chicken for a crowd. Look at that.
Wow.
Steve, how delicious does that look?
Fried chicken, mac and cheese.
That's right,
And-
jalapeno cornbread. So that's how I feed a crowd, right? I'm going to eat with you.
Wow, so juicy. It's nice and crispy too on the outside.
Yeah, this is my favorite Southern meal.
Well, this is really good fried chicken. I love it. You know, preparing delicious meals and sharing them with the ones you love is what life is all about. Time with family is so much more special when you're serving homemade. And the MAXX Air Fryer Oven makes it so easy, all with maximum crispiness and maximum flavor.